How to turn on Incognito Mode on Google Maps. Incognito Mode in Google Maps stops your activity like location searches and navigation from being saved to Google account when enabled. Just follow the steps to turn on Incognito Mode in Google Maps. First, make sure that Google Maps app is updated on your mobile. Now open Google Maps on your Android or iPhone. Just tap on your profile image on the top right corner. From the options, tap Turn on Incognito Mode option. And Incognito Mode will be activated in your Google Maps. So that is how you can turn on Incognito Mode on Google Maps. If you find the video helpful, then like the video, share with your friends and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.